Alright everyone, here is my triple batch of chili, no beans, and I made it this way so you could top it off with other things. I got several cans of diced tomatoes, onion powder, garlic powder, tomato paste, chili powder, onion powder, McCormick's mild chili mix was the starter on it. Added some Kinder's Woodfired garlic and taco blend, and so I got a bowl of rice here I cooked up, and so I'm just going to go ahead and scoop out one here. I get the camera aimed right. There we go. Put it in there just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. And that's chili on rice and good to eat. And I'll have the recipe down below in the description.